Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some crispy king size shrimp sandwich. Yeah, so that's my shrimp, guys. It's already washed, it is clean. Guys, this recipe is a delicious recipe. It's similar to the Popeyes sandwich but better. Yes, so these are all of my seasoning. I'm using Cajun seasoning, all purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika, smoked paprika. So as you can see, guys, I'm just blending all of my seasoning together like so. And I'm using 1 teaspoon, okay? So all of my seasoning is all blend together. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle my seasoning all on my prawns. And guys, I'm not gonna use all of my seasoning. I'm gonna leave some of my seasoning for my flour mixture, okay? So after I add my seasoning to my prawns, now I'm just gonna take my spoon. You can always use your hands, and I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix all that seasoning right on my prawns, okay? And you just want to make sure that everything is all combined together. So my prawns is all seasoning, and that's what it look like. Guys, just put it aside for at least 30 minutes. So this is some of my other ingredients, guys. So in that bowl right there, I've got at least 1/4 cup of self-raising flour, and I also have around 1/4 cup of cornstarch also, because the cornstarch and the self-raising flour is gonna make the shrimp nice and crispy and crunchy, and that's what we need. And I also have 1/4 cup of milk and 3 spoonful of hot pepper sauce, and I also have 2 beaten eggs. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend my cornstarch and my self-raising flour together like so. And now I'm just gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left. So after adding your seasoning, you just want to blend it all together in the mixture. Make sure everything is all combined together. And I'm gonna also add 1 spoon of salt, and you just want to just stir it all together. So now I'm gonna add my beaten eggs to my milk, and guys, you just want to just give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add my hot pepper sauce. I'm gonna add some Cajun seasoning to my mixture. I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon. And guys, you can also add a bit of salt, okay? Then you wanna give it a stir. Make sure everything is all combined together. So now I'm just gonna coat my prawns, and guys, I'm gonna add my prawns to the flour mixture 2 times, and I'm gonna also add it to the wet ingredients for 2 times also. So I'm doing double, okay? Because I want it to be nice and crunchy and just full of layers. And guys, you want to make sure your prawns is all coated, okay? So finally guys, all my prawns is all coated. So now I'm gonna fry it now. So as you can see guys, I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add some vegetable oil. Just add enough oil so your prawns will fry properly, okay? And I also add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, so now I'm just gonna fry my prawns for at least 3 minutes, okay? And each side. Just make sure your stove is not turned up too high, because you don't want your prawns to burn up, okay? So now I'm just turning my prawns, and guys, just look at that color of the prawns. It looks so good. Nice and golden and crispy, and that's exactly how you want it to be. So now I'm just removing my prawns, and guys, I'm putting my prawns on a cooling rack because I don't want it to be too saggy. So now I'm just gonna add my remaining prawns. And you just want to continue with the same process. So this is the last batch of prawns to fried. So finally guys, all of my prawns is all fried. So here I have some burger bread right there, and I also have some mayonnaise and some pickles, of course. So guys, you want to use your favorite hot pepper sauce, and you're just gonna add at least 2 spoons to your mayonnaise just to give it just a bit of spiciness, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it all in. So now I'm just gonna toast up my burger bread. So as you can see, I had some butter to my pot, and then I'm just gonna allow my bread to toast for at least a couple seconds, okay? like so. So that's exactly how you want it to be, guys, just to brown up for a bit. And you just want to turn it on the next side also, and you're gonna toast it up just for a couple seconds. So this is the fun part, guys. Finally, now I'm just gonna add my mayonnaise to my bread first. So now I'm just gonna add my pickles. And my crispy, fried, crunchy prawns. Guys, it looks so good already. Just honestly, this recipe, guys, is a must try. Absolutely delicious. And guys, you can also add some more mayonnaise onto your other bread, okay? And I'm gonna also add some barbecue sauce and some of my burgers. Cause guys, I'm telling you, it tastes so good with the barbecue sauce also. You can just add your favorite barbecue sauce, okay? So it is all finished now, guys, and that's what it look like. Guys, please share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribe for more delicious video like these, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you can receive more videos, okay? So now I'm just gonna taste some of my shrimp sandwich for you guys. Guys, I'm telling you, it tastes so good. The shrimp is just nice and crunchy, and the pickles go so well with it. This is one of the best sandwich I ever have. Trust me, it is absolutely delicious. And the prawns is so moist and so juicy. Guys, I'm telling you, it is so good. Honestly, it is really good. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed.